Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. As we had previously advised you, the defendant in the matter styled as State of Florida versus Jonathan Lee Riches was due in court for a conference before the presiding judge, Joseph Justice, on July 2nd, 2026. There is a document that appears on the court docket. It tells us what occurred on that date. By way of background, Mr. Riches has been charged with one count of misdemeanor violation of Florida statute section 78403. This alleges a battery, and it is domestic related. Now, Mr. Riches, who at every point during the stage of these proceedings under our Constitution is presumed not guilty until or unless he either pleads guilty or is adjudicated guilty in a court of law. It does not appear that he has any intention to plead guilty and that he will fight these charges because he has entered a formal plea of not guilty in the case. According to this new document, there is a court event that has been scheduled to occur. This is a pre-trial conference. It is set to happen August 13th, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. West Pasco Judicial Center, room 1A in Florida. Now, what about speedy trial in this case? The offense date is allegedly September 6th, 2025, and Mr. Riches was charged in April of 2026. Under our Constitution, he has a right to a speedy trial. In other words, the government just cannot continue to keep charges pending indefinitely. The speedy trial expiration date, according to this form new on the docket, indicates that the said expiration date is July 26th, 2026. However, it also advises the public that the speedy trial right under the Constitution has been waived by Mr. Riches, and the date of the waiver occurred April 29th, 2026, to be specific. Will the trial be scheduled at this formal pretrial conference come August 13th? That remains to be seen. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise in the case styled as Florida versus Riches. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.